This one. In GATE 2015 they have asked. They are saying that let an represent the number of bit string of length n. Let n represent the number of bit string of length n containing two consecutive one. Containing two consecutive one. What is the recurrence relation for n? What is the recurrence relation for an? For an they are asking the recurrence relation. So try first. N represent the number of bit string of length n. N represent the number of bit string of length n containing two consecutive one. Containing two consecutive one. What is the recurrence relation for n? What is the recurrence relation of? Now see here how to. So if length is 0, how many? They are saying number of bit string of length n containing two consecutive one. Two consecutive one. In length 0 you are going to get no consecutive one. Length 0, a0 is going to 0. Now a2 or a1. A1 is also 0. A1 0. Now A2 how many? 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So how many be? Saying that length 2 containing two consecutive ones. Only one string is there which is containing two consecutive one. Now A3. In case of A3, how it will be? See, this is containing two consecutive one. This is containing two consecutive. This is containing. So A3 is containing how many? 1, 2, 3. 3. Similarly, A4 is containing 8. Okay, so similarly, if you write A4 is going to contain 8. So I can write like this. So you can write A4 containing. So I'm writing the length for 4 1, then 1 1, then 1 1 0, then 1 1 0 1, 1 1 0 0, 1 0 1 1, 0 1 1, 0 1 1 0, and 0 0 1. Okay, 0 0 1. For length 4 you are getting 8. Now just try to eliminate the options. Just try to eliminate the options. So for length 4 you got 8 strings which is having two consecutive one. So we will start from checking from A3. Okay, because n minus 2 is there and n minus 1 is there. So when I use A3, option A is saying A3 is equal to A3 is equal to A1, because it's saying n minus 2 then 1, that is A2, plus 2 to the power n minus 2, 2 to the power n minus 2. So A1 is your 1, A2 is your A2 is your 1, sorry, A1 is your 0, A1 is your 0, A1 is your 0, A1 is your 0, A2 is your 1, then 2, n is your 3 minus 1, 1, 3 minus 2 is going to be 1. They are going to get 3. A3, it is saying 3, and A3 you got 3 only. Okay, so this may be the correct one. Till now we got this may be the correct one. Now for option B, A3 is equal to A3 is equal to A1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 A2 plus to the power n minus 2 to the power n minus 2. A1 is 0, then here 2 because A2 is your 1, then 2 to the power 3 minus 1 is 1, so 4. You got 4 here. It means it is incorrect. It means it is incorrect because you got 4 here. Now C is saying 2 into A n, 2 into A n minus 2, 2 into A n minus 2 plus A n minus 1 plus 2 to the power n minus 2 plus 2 to the power n minus 2. Okay, so you are going to get here 2 n minus 2 is your A3 we are doing. So A1 plus A2 plus to the power 1, because 3 minus 2 is going to be 1, so it is going to be 0. A2 is going to be 1. So this may be the correct one till now. This may be also the correct one. It is also in the race to be correct option. So till now we have seen that A and C may be the correct one. Now for D we will see. D is saying A n equal to 2a n minus 2, 2a n minus 2 plus 2a n minus 1 plus 2a n minus 1 plus 2 to the power n minus 2. So 2 a n minus a3, then a1 plus 2, then here a2 plus 2 to the power 1. So 0 plus 2 plus 2, because a1 is 0, so you got 4. So even option D is also incorrect. Option D is also incorrect. So now for A4 we will check whether A or between A and C which is giving the correct one. Okay. Now we will go for A4. Okay. For A4, option A is saying A4 is equal to A2 A2 plus A3 A3 plus 2 to the power n minus 2, 2 to the power n minus 2, that is 2. A2 is equal to your A2 is your, what is A2? A2 is your 1 1, A3 is your 3 4, then you are going to get 8. Okay, now option D is saying A3 A n, so A4 is going to be 2, A4 is going to be 2 into A2 plus 2 into A3 plus 2 into power 2 n minus 2. So 2 into 1 plus 2 into 3 plus 4, because it's going to be n minus 2 here, n minus 1. Okay, so 2 plus 6, 2 plus 6 plus 4 is also incorrect. So D is also incorrect. Okay, so option A is going to be the correct. Okay, option C. Sorry. Between A and C, we are having the race. Okay, option C. For option C, what option C is giving? Option C. Try option C. What option C is giving? So it is saying 2 into A n minus 1 into A n minus 1 plus A an minus 1 an minus 1 plus 2 to the power n minus 2 n minus 2. So 2 into a n minus 2 is your a4, then a2, then a3 plus 2 into 2. So a2 is your 1 and a3 is your 3, 4. So you are getting here 9. That's why it's incorrect. So we are getting 9. That's why it is incorrect. So we got only A as the correct one. A is giving the correct. So A is the correct option. Understood? Anyone having any doubt? Just let me know. Is it clear?